everybody, and I hope that you will be silent. Goddess of knowledge, Mother Saraswati, or source of inspiration, Om, Bharat Mata, my enable senior teachers, junior teachers, and my sisters, and my students. Today I have before you to tell my visit Noida. First of all, I can thank my honorable principal who has sent me here, and I got a lot of chance to introduce myself. Otherwise, we know everything, but we are not able to express ourselves. This is our fault. This is our weakness. I know that every student who is sitting before me, he is perfect. He knows everything, but how to express himself, he does not know, or he doesn't try. He never tries. Please don't memorize. Try to follow me. Try to hear. You will feel something strange that I am speaking here English. Because before today, I have never spoken English in this Bandha session, madrasa, on this hall. But it is my duty that I have to tell something. Whatever difficulties I have faced in Noida. In opening ceremony, beyond 35 participants gathered in the hall, and everybody was nervous. I was highly shocked to hear this, that it is considered, it is accepted by open mind, open heart, that all the teachers of UP board and all the students of UP board, they are more and more strong in grammatical matter, but they are so poor in speaking, they cannot speak with a single sentence. Some teachers have performed well, but some teachers really, they were unable to speak with a single sentence, they were unable to introduce themselves. First of all, it should be learned by you. It is English speaking is must for you, because you can't get anything. After intermediate, you will have to go Kota, Delhi, Kanpur, etc., any big city, or any great campus. Then you will feel that you are very poor in English. English speaking depends on English surroundings, atmosphere. If you are able to create, Mr. Pushpraj, if you are able to create English atmosphere, you can speak English well. But it is your duty, it is my duty, it is duty of all the teachers. But you have to maintain, you have to prepare also, you have to ready to speak English. It is not good, some students can't please come here, you have to express yourself, you have to introduce yourself, but you said that, sorry sir, I am not able to express myself today. What kind of thought you have? You are not poor English, you are more strong. It is considered, it is accepted by all the teachers that we are very strong in English grammar. We have a lot of word powers. We can speak English well, but we never speak. Same way, these things, we are very poor, we can't speak. This sentence was both day and night with all the participants and also our mentor, Dr. Deepak Kumar Sharma sir, and also Renu. Renu was 70 years old. But when he enters the class, he behaves like that is 35, 25, because he doesn't take seat. This is now looking better.
Every day must go to temple, because temple is the place where we get energy, source of inspiration, where we feel that we have done a lot of faults in our past days. But today I pray my God that I shall not commit any kind of fault. Same way, you must come here, you worship Ma Saraswati, and you feel yourself. Ma, Mother Saraswati, before today, before this hour, I have committed many things, many faults, but Mother, today, I assure you that I shall not do anything wrong today, because I am worshipping you. Same way, Badhana Satra has provides you a lot of energy and power, mental power. Every day, be here. Some novel goods, some novel deeds, some novel conversation given by your online teachers, students, etc. I also try to convince you that it is your duty that you must try able to speak some sentence English. We have been given their point within some seconds, and we have to express the points. First day I was given construction of Lord Rama. And perhaps I have spoken about 5 for 3 or 5 minutes. You must feel that you prepare any topic, but you are not able to speak because you learn, and so you forget many things. One thing keep in your mind: if you are going to speak English, then if you commit any grammatical mistake, don't mind it. If you are doing any grammatical mistake, don't mind it. You are speaking English, whatever you are speaking, I must follow. And whatever I am speaking, you must follow. This is speaking English. And after 1 or 2 or 3 or 4 days, you will not commit a grammatical mistake because you know that this is wrong. I am committing a grammatical mistake. In India, especially in Vidya Mandir students, first of all, students create thoughts in his mind. Then he translates it. Then he speaks. The procedure becomes so long that he avoids himself to speak English. When you try to speak in Hindi, do you create any mind in your brain? You never thought any kind of thoughts in your brain. You speak whatever you like. Same way, you must speak whatever you like. But we say now, oh my God, I have to speak English. You know well that only 2 countries of the world that provides education English medium. First is America, second is India. I have also put up the question because nearby China teaches chemistry in Chinese. In Japan, teaches chemistry, physics in Japanese. Many other countries who does not impose English on the students. But in India, we feel ourselves very good. You have also a wrong idea that English speaking man is very intelligent. So first of all, I would like to clear that English is communication language. If any speaking English man is intelligent, it is not a good idea. Hindi speaking man is not intelligent, it is not a good idea. English speaking man may be intelligent, Hindi speaking man may be intelligent, Sanskrit speaking man may be intelligent. It is communication language. It does not produce any kind of power, but it has become nowadays, English has become world class language. If you want to go China, want to go England, America, etc., then you must know how to speak English. But you should not worry about it. When you go to England, America, etc., and you stay there for some weeks, some days, then you will speak, because if you have to eat rice, then you have to say, this is rice. Please give me some. Then he will say that he is asking for rice. But you have to adjust yourself. But if you know English, if you can introduce yourself, then it will be very good for you. You speak English, and if you commit a grammatical mistake, don't worry about it. But if you know all the rules and regulations of English grammar and you speak English, it is very good for you. And so it is my suggestion that you must create a group of 2 or 3 or 4 students, and among the group you must speak English. Among the group you must speak English, because English has become very necessary language for you. It is not good that in the absence of a teacher, when we are not in the class, you always speak Bundelkhandi. It is not good for you. You must speak pure Hindi. You must speak English, not to pretend itself. You use always the Puri language. In the absence of a teacher, you use very slangy language. You must not use this. That's our point.